We are going to study about classification of flora and fauna and the utility of forests, chapter number 2. Tuntum kanzir turhi, chapter number 2 Forest and wildlife resources ti chapter ami khani classification of flora and fauna le utility of forests kanzir hole edonani. India is among the 10 most forest-rich countries of the world. The diversity in forests ranges from the deciduous forest range of Rajasthan in the west to the rainforest of the northeast and the dry alpine forest cover of Ladakh to the tropical rainforest of South India. Okay. Amasain class 9 khanin vegetation tia khanin India ramngo kanne idante kanzer to khan la shanga India ram hikovela ramngo forest a hausa ram som zinga antela ramngo kan nei biddan te ramngo a kan hausak dan te he in chen lo ema state sang hi class 9 a po kan zer to khan shanga India ram west area Rajasthan te chuan deciduous forest an neya north east te chuan rainforest an nei lain North India ladaka chuan alpine forest an lo neya South India lama thung chuan tropical rainforest an lo nei ve bokani Majority of the forests and wildlife resources in India are maintained by the government forest departments both at the state and central levels. Okay? India rama forest and wildlife resources tamzo kahi state le central level khan forest department in an encol chinani. From the administrative point of view, forests are classified as number 1, reserve forests, number 2, protected forests, and number 3, unclassed forests. Okay? Ram in rail bolna, sarkar raw rail na azirin, ramgo forest kante hi pathuman chana, chungte chu, reserve forest, protected forest le, unclassed forest ani. Now reserve forests. These are those forest areas that are used for production of timber and other forest products. Reserve forests constitute 54.4% of the total forest cover. Okay. Reserve forests hi thing sayatana mantur le ramgo atanga thil siam chwa tur atana ramgo anhum halbi kakhani a Reserve forest India ramin kan nei zau zong hi 54.4% ni India ramina reserve forest kan nei zau zong 54.4% ti hi objective a point mo thaya in lo chin sia don in textbook a khanin lo underline anga reserve forest muna hian lo nei le ran vulte mo khatiang kha phal lo ani an sha tel to re chu Number 2, protected forests. Protected forest areas are demarcated as those areas that are protected from further depletion. About 29% of the total forest cover constitute protected forests. Okay? Protected forest kan ti ve thong hi chu ramngo chereu zel tur laka ven him bik ramngo hum hal bik kha ani a Protected forest India ramina kan nei zau zong hi ramngo kan nei zong zong atanga chuta za asom hi pakwa ani Reserve and protected forests are referred to as permanent forest estates which are maintained for the purpose of producing timber and other forest produce Madhya Pradesh has the largest area under permanent forests constituting 75% of the total forest cover of the state Among other states, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Maharashtra have a large percentage of area under reserve forests, while states such as Haryana, Punjab, Odisha, and Rajasthan have a large area under protected forests. Okay. Ramngo timber Prodakatan le thildangatan an humhal big reserve le protected forest kan ti hi permanent forest estate ti inan wa India rama chuan permanent forest estate ni zau ber state chu Madhya Pradesh ni in permanent forest estate zawzong an nei hi 75% lai ni Andhra Pradesh te Kerala te Tamil Nadu te West Bengal le Maharashtra te hi reserve forest area nei zaw state te an ni boka Haryana Punjab Odisha le Rajasthan state te hian protected forest an nei zaw hle bokani Now unclassed forest These forests found in remote and inaccessible areas comprise wasteland and other forests belonging to the government, individual as well as other local communities. Okay. Nearly 16% of the total forest cover constitute unclassed forests. Unclassed forest hi chu mun chengker le to po hars na muna om ni in ram man tlak lo wasteland kan ti te po kha awam te la unclassed forest kan ti hi sarkar emo mimal emo khami bul nai khami ram ngo bul naya cheng te khan an en kol mai chin ni India rama chuan Gujarat le North Eastern state a mun then khata te unclassed forest kan ti ang hi an nei zaw hle a India ramena unclassed forest kan nei zaw zong hi 16% ani an kan nei zaw zong unclassed forest te kha in lo sin chia thaliang objective atana pui modong kan ti kha The forest can also be classified according to the density of vegetation as dense, open and mangrove ke ramngo akha ramngo acha dan abit dan azir khan chithuma an chen chong le ani chu dense open le mangrove hi ngai polo turani Sarkar in real bolna azirin pathuma an chena reserve forest protected le unclassed forest chuan a chen dan dang le a chuan on the basis of density of vegetation forests may be classified into three dense open and mangrove ke chen dan kha ramngo chen dan kha chini om ti sha to ngai polo turani hi dense forest India ramina kan nei zaw zonga hi 59% ni a open forest kan nei zaw zonga hi 40% ni a chuan mangrove forest kan nei zaw zonga hi 1% chawani bokani Now utility of forest The utility of forests are through the process of photosynthesis, trees inhale carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and give out oxygen, thus purifying the air we breathe and reducing the effect of global warming. Okay. Utility of forest kan ti chuan ram ngo hlut na tangkai na poimo na te mo utility omzia chu pakhanna chuanin photosynthesis chu science a inject to thina thlain ama cho in siam na kong kha ani in ti to khamo inject to kha thlain ama cho a in siam na khan carbon dioxide michingina kan thok chwa kha thlain lo hi plutin nun na ata nan lo manga michingina kan momo em nun na ata na kan man oxygen akha thlai khan anon thachuak ve thungani kha khanin borak hip tur kha ati thiang himba ka kholum zel tur global warming kan tiang chi akha atikyam theni Ethic forest cover helps prevent soil erosion by ensuring that the topsoil, which is the richest in nutrients and minerals, is held together by the roots of the plant. Okay. Ru alo sur hian le lungla le chunglang mo nutrients tamna le thatna le hanna thlai ta na tha em kha akal ral na sachina ramngo a thing le mau roots te bo azung roots kan ti chuan azung kan ti kha le chunglang kal ral mei tur lo ban khom tu atang khan an poimo le ni abik takin ro sur hun lai ro sur tam hun lai rainy season a khan ramngo kan ti chereu na sa chuan le kal ral na soil erosion kha thleng la sa anga ram man tlak lo wasteland mo thlai chin atan pu aman tlak lo ram man tlak lo kan ti akha le han na om lo kan ti akha wasteland kan ti akha atam pha don ani Forests also store rainwater in their leaves and canopies and soil which raises the level of groundwater. Okay. Ramngo thing le mau kan ti te hian ruwa lo sur changin an hna te le an tang te hmangin tuian lo khol thina chu chuanin groundwater kan ti chuan lei hnuaia tui mo groundwater na tui hna kha ti tampha thini dry area om ten e abik takin farmers hovin lo nei tu ten e tha lain an thlai chin te groundwater hmang khanin e an chom thei pha thina ni local communities which live near the forest use the forest produce for their daily livelihood, whereas people in urban areas obtain wood, fuel, and paper provided by the forest. Ke ramngo bul hnaya cheng te hi ni tina andam kho chhuanan e ramngo bul hnaya cheng te hianin ramngo kha an hmang ve tak me umewa ramngo atangin an eitur food mo eitur cho tur angte clothing sille fan kan ti ang chi te tin a shelter ruwa le ni salakan in humhim theina tura ta na chen na in sakna man ruwa kan ti ang kha ramngo bul hnaya cheng te khanin ramngo atang khan collect thina ni tin khopui zo ka cheng te po in thing tua tur kan ti ang chi te thing sai te paper siamna bamboo kan ti ang chi te kha kha ramngo atangin an nei thei bok thini Forest also provides raw material for the paper industry to manufacture sports goods, softwood for matchstick and plywood industry. Other minor products like gum, resin, fuel, wood, oils, honey, herbs, medicines, and lac are also obtained from the forest. Okay. Ramngo atangin industry shanga raw materials store and tirnan paper siam atana kan raw materials mo chu bamboo mo raw materials po chu bamboo mau kan ti kanita a ramngo atang khan mau kan huthaya tin heba ka hian infiam na bungra siam chhuana te no al phong atan sof ute ramngo atang hian min provide a tin minor products kan ti heng gum resin fuel wood oils honey herbs medicine le lek kan ti te hi e ramngo atang kan nei thei thin bokani chu fangin ramngo hi kan tan lu in kan tan apoi mo em ani ramngo ti chereu tur ka ta kan venganga ramngo kan ti chereu na sa chuan rainfall ro tui rainfall pattern te kha buai vek the ni global warming te thleng thei te ka kan sha ka nga ya ramngo kha apoi mo hle ni that's all for today